is a Gibson's puzzle, and as you can see, it's a very unique kind of image. They're all painted. There's no photographs. Okay, I got that packing. I got the packing note, but I can't. Oh, I did. It's here. It's okay. It's all right. We got it. What? We're missing what? They're a good quality board. It's a very dense board, so the pieces can be made very small, and there's a press comes down and chops it into little bits. It's standard size jigsaw puzzle shape, and they have all these different artists. This is Kevin Walsh, and he's in the catalogue every year. And every year Gibson's come out with about 50 or 60 new designs, but they keep using the same artists over and over again because they know the clientele likes a certain look, and these artists keep giving them the same look. I think they're upstairs. Remember we got that extra warehouse? They're upstairs in the corner. Go there. Yeah. Going been around for almost 100 years. Puzzles have only been there for about 50 years. And you can go and see these puzzles, much closer, better detail, on the website www.canadapuzzles.ca. And we ship all across North America, and you can see the entire range of everything we have.